Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and obviously in today's video we have yet another Matchbox Power Grabs car series. This is number 79 of 125. This is the 1995 BMW 318 Ti. So this is the shortback, or like sort of hatchback, of the BMW 318, and this is not new. We've seen the first color in red. I don't think we've seen it in white yet, but now currently it's in this clean black color, which is obviously really cool. There's the barcode if you need it. There's the top, the sides and all are obviously already opened it already. So yeah, let's take a deep close look at the car that we have. So here is the BMW 318 1995. So it's a shortback sort of a car. You can see it's really short, but nicely done. Yeah, this is in metallic black. Very cool looking color. We've seen it in red previously. 6-spoke silver rims as well on these. Detailed headlights and rear lights as well. Overall quite nice. Now the details. It's a 4-seater as well. And table, there it is. Interesting model, though. I'm not really I don't really know this casting that much, if you ask me. So a very nice looking BMW in this metallic black. It looks really clean. I mean, I bought it because it's in this nice looking metallic black, I must say. Makes it look better than the red one that came out last time. I'm not sure if they've made a white version or not. Some people do like this casting, some people don't. To me personally, it's not really as famous as the E42 or something like that. But, well, it depends. I mean, if the person really loves BMWs, then he would buy every single one of these. But maybe he's more specific, then he'll buy more specific casting. But for this case, this 318 Ti, I don't really see many people use them much. The more like frequent BMWs are obviously the brand new ones, and yeah, sometimes even the old ones as well, but not something like this. This one's a bit more rare, but I like the color overall. The metallic black on this is really good. So yeah, let's take a close look. Here's the BMW. Starting from the side, you do have some 6 spokes, which look great. Nice door right there. Sadly, no, there is like a pillar at the side window right there, transparent, but like it's not really a metallic pillar, sadly, but still it overall looks really nice. There's the side in general that looks great, and then over yeah, there is the metal side mirrors right there as well. Over on the front, you do have your headlight details, front grille details, and the BMW logo right there, which looks great. Overall, quite like that. Nice looking hood there as well. Regular windshield tint, black dot interior. It is left-hand drive too. Interesting. There's the front. The front looks okay, not that bad. There's the other side. Now there's the roof, with the sunroof as well right there, which is nice. This is a short back, so it does have that massive rear window, and of course a sleek little rear bumper right here. It has the rear lights, the blinkers, brake lights as well. BMW logo. You do have a license plate which says E36 compact. Yeah, I forgot to mention this is an E36 as well. Looking at the license plate, yeah, it did remind me this is an E36, and compact is what you call for the shorter version of this car, not a hatchback, but yeah, really nice. You have the single exhaust coming out from the left, which is nice. Looking at the base, plastic gray base, 1995. BMW 318 Ti, 2025 metal and made in Thailand. Yeah, compact was the word, not a hatchback, my bad. But it's a very nice car in general though. It would be great to have this carded in a carded form. But yeah, I might not keep one. Rather have one like this. This one's already really nice. The details are great. Black color. I believe I do have the red one, but I'm not sure where did I put that, or whether I have reviewed that or not. But still, it's a really interesting one for this. But yeah, overall it's quite a nice one, and yeah, I guess today's a short video, but I don't really have nothing much to say about this casting. But yeah, it's overall totally great. Very clean, I would say. Black colored compact car, I like that. But yeah, there you go, that's my review. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in the videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.